Hey guys, it's me again. We're back in the kitchen for another episode of Kitchen Creations Redbeard Homestead style. Today we're making beef jerky. Today I'm going to show you how to make some beef jerky. Beef jerky is not hard, very easy to do. A lot of folks get intimidated by this, but they shouldn't. Let's dive in. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a cutting board, a large bowl, some meat, and a knife. So the meat I'm using is a London broil. You can see that it's still frozen. You want to get it almost solid, but you want to be able to push it and have your finger kind of dented in. That is gonna help us create nice, thin slices. Now we're just gonna slice this up and put it in the bowl. I like about an 1/8 inch slice. Any thicker, it takes a while to dehydrate, and any thinner, it just kind of turns into meat paper. So you see this little layer here, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim that off. When you get too much fat in the jerky, it tends to turn real chewy when you dehydrate it, and it doesn't actually dry out very well. So we'll just trim that off. Let's see, it doesn't look like there's anything else that I need to be worried about. Now today I'm using a London broil. This is beef, but I've used the same recipe with venison, and it's just as good. All right, that's it for that. Now you got your meat. Now the next part to this process is to mix up our marinade, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix up our marinade. So we're gonna start with our ginger. Now we got our ginger peeled. Go and have it grated. We got 1 jalapeno. So a little trick for peeling garlic. Just take your knife, give it a little smush, cut the root in, and pops right out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grate our garlic right into the same bowl here. Okay, we're gonna add 1 cup of soy sauce. ¼ cup of orange juice, some honey, sriracha, brown sugar, black pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, onion powder, crushed red pepper, ground cloves. All right, that's it for the marinade. Now we just need to stir it up. And pour it over the meat. Now you want to mix this in. I like to use my hands. Cover it up and into the fridge. You really want at least 12 hours to let it marinate. I like to leave it overnight and give it close to a full 24, but make sure that throughout the process of marinating that you're stirring it up routinely. every couple of hours, get in there and turn it up. You don't want those pieces of meat sticking together, and you want to make sure that marinade gets into all of the meat evenly. So, to the fridge. All right guys, we're back. It's the next day. I've had the jerky marinating overnight in the refrigerator. So now it's time to put it into the dehydrator to actually turn it into jerky. So let's do it. You can see that right there. I wish you guys could smell it, because honestly, it smells great. All right, so to put the jerky into the dehydrator, all you need to do is take it and lay it out flat onto your dehydrating trays. Now I'm using a Magic Mill dehydrator with the stainless steel trays. It's the 6-tray model. I like the stainless steel trays because they're easier to clean, and I feel over time they hold up a little better. If you use a dehydrator with plastic trays, over time those trays start to crack a little bit. So I like the stainless steel trays. It's got a digital thermostat on there, so you can set your temperature. All right guys, that's it. Now we're gonna put the lid on the dehydrator. We're gonna come back and check this every couple of hours. We'll catch you in a little bit. All right guys, it's been about 4 hours. And so now I'm checking my jerky. See this piece right here, not done yet. You can feel it, it's still squishy. I do have some pieces that are done. We'll give it a check in about another 2 hours. I think we'll have some more pieces done. All right guys, I set the timer on the dehydrator and it went off last night. So this morning I woke up to a bowl of beef jerky. That's good stuff. Try this recipe. It's good, it's spicy, it's got a little element of sweet. Give me a thumbs up if you try this one out. Tell all your friends. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Leave your comments below and let me know how your jerky turns out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram @RedbeardHomestead. If you've got someone in your life who loves beef jerky, you need to send this video to them.